Putnam found that ethnic diversity just creates atomization. Almost all measures of civil health are lower in a diverse society. Taylor found that highly diverse areas are not necessarily integrated, so naturally, groups tend towards segregation. Women were less likely than men to want to date outside of their race. Interracial marriages were banned in several US states as recently as 1967. Social norms take time to catch up, but we can change. Miscegenation from online dating creates integration without appearing to be a social engineering project. Online dating has replaced everything but meeting through friends as the way in which couples meet. Meeting partners online means meeting people outside established groups. Ortega and Hergovich said, "Our model predicts nearly complete racial integration upon the emergence of online dating. Shortly after the introduction of the first online dating websites like Match.com, the percentage of new marriages created by interracial couples increased dramatically. I believe the most effective way to create integration and a more open world would be to tailor the algorithms of online dating sites to promote people of other races. Doing so gives people more options to make the right choice."